complex threat model, the protector will face some compatible issues. And the obfuscation may not recursively invoke functions in the range of the protected code. That is to say, the execution is straightforward. It cannot use the obfuscated code to again obfuscate itself. We can see in this table we analyzed 5 different VM, and we find for each VM different number of handlers, and for each VM state we can find different size of memories in our analysis. We also use different algorithms to test our. We'll also use binary search, the bubble sort, Huffman, and matrix multiplication to test our analysis. We can find we analyze each of the VM state, and we can find some other state. These other states are discussed before, as we define as the non-important state that is not related to the execution of the virtual machine. So for the code simplification, we can see for each implementation of the algorithm, the obfuscated code can be reduced to almost half of its original size. Then for the latest version of VM Protect, we can see the top 10 most simplified handlers used in VM Protect. We can see for some handlers, we can even reduce the original instruction from 30 instructions into 3 instructions, which significantly simplifies the understanding of the VM code. And finally, we can see the reassembling of our work. This is a comparison between the original code and the translated handler of a customized VM. Since we can obtain the source code of the protected program before, we can compare the original code with our translated code. We can see from these 2 figures our translation. Our translation shows the effectiveness of the translation because most of the semantics can be understood from this translated code. To conclude our paper, we propose a new code obfuscated translating approach to help program analysts to understand the code of obfuscation, and then the analysis approach proposed by implemented using our Nightingale system can be seen as a universal analysis to deal with various VM implementations because we capture the common features of different VM instances. And we also implement these tools to automate the deobfuscation task to test our system with different kind of VM. So in our future work, we're proposing to generalize our handler partition approach and to handle more obfuscator. And we also try to integrate our Nightingale system with commonly used program analysis utilities like IDA Pro. Thank you. Any questions?
Thank you very much. Yeah, questions? We have time for one quick question. So I have one quick question for you. From all your work in e-obfuscation, is there something you learned about how to better obfuscate code in order to make your techniques, well, less